How do probate attorneys get paid? Do you have to come up with a large retainer up front, or can you pay a smaller amount to begin with and then be charged monthly? It all depends. It depends on the firm. It depends on the size and the value of the estate. It depends, for example, if there is real property to be sold or if it's contested. It depends if everyone gets along or if there are 10-15 heirs. Some firms may require that you pay $3,000 to $4,000 up front, and that may cover the entire cost of the probate or close to it. We understand, however, that not everyone has that amount available, and we usually charge a smaller retainer, enough to cover filing fees, drafting of the pleadings, and maybe the initial hearing, knowing that once you get appointed as personal representative, you will have access to the deceased person's accounts, for example, bank accounts or a life insurance proceeds, or maybe you have the authority to sell real property if there is a home, land, or minerals in the estate. So be sure to shop around. Ask about the retainer requirements and then ask about an hourly rate. Because other than the filing fees and publication costs that are required no matter what, that we all have to pay, the other factor in the cost of a probate is the hourly rate. Some law firms may offer probate services for a flat fee, so be sure to ask. It is worth mentioning that not everyone needs a probate. Even if a bank or another entity told you that you need a probate or that you need to be appointed as personal representative first before they can talk to you, please give us a call to discuss. We offer 15-minute free phone call consultations just to help you determine if you indeed need a probate. If you do, we can schedule an appointment to meet and discuss the estimate cost of the probate, our retainer, and our hourly fees. Please give us a call at 405-857-8231 to discuss your specific situation. Thank you for watching.